Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to start our lecture number 13. This is at page number 111 of your book. So open your book and see what is there. There is past tense with all of its aspects. Now see past indefinite tense. Past tense, time which has passed away and become past. An action which has happened in past relates to past tense. It is used to express an action that is just completed or just happened. Normally a short time before speaking, time of action is not specified, but it makes a sense that action is just completed. Like see the example, she saw her face. It means that the subject has seen her face a short time ago. Now see how we can form positive sentences of this tense. To make positive sentence, we have to use subject at the beginning of our sentence, and after that we will use second form of verb plus object, and then object is followed by a full stop. It is quite simple that we are going to use second form of verb in our positive sentences of past indefinite tense. Now see how we can form negative sentence by using past indefinite tense. The first thing that we are going to use in negative sentence is the same as was in the positive ones, that is subject, and after that when we have to use not, we have to use any helping verb. The helping verb of this tense is did, and after that we will use not, and when we use did in negative and interrogative sentences, we have to use first form. When we use did, we have to use first form, very first form of every verb which we use, and after that we have to use object, and then object is followed by a full stop. Now see the formation of interrogative and negative sentences of past indefinite tense. Did is our helping verb. To make interrogative sentences, we use our helping verb at the beginning of our sentence. Did is used at the front of the sentence. After that we will use subject, then first form of verb, and plus object, plus our object is followed by a question mark, as it is interrogative sentence. In negative interrogative sentence is the same condition, just we will add not after subject, and remaining all the formation will be same as was in interrogative sentences. Now see the examples. First example is of positive sentences. Komal went to school. Went is the second form of verb go. As we are making simple sentence, positive sentence, we use second form of verb. In negative sentence, Rida did not go. Go is the first form that we used after our helping verb did. In interrogative condition is the same. We are using did as our helping verb, and after did we are using very first form of verb. Did Monim go to school yesterday? Now come to the second aspect, that is past continuous. It is used to express an ongoing nature or continued action. The thing that were happening in past time, we use past continuous tense to express them. It is used to talk about continuing action at a particular time in past. Now see how we can form positive sentences by using past continuous tense. The very first thing that we use in positive sentences is subject, and we are going to use was and were as our helping verb, and to show the continuity of any action in any continuous tense we have to use ing form, means first form with ing we use to show the continuity of any action, and after that we use object, and our object is followed by a full stop. Now see how we can form negative sentences. They are also quite simple, as we are using was were as our helping verb in simple sentences as well. We will just add not after helping verb, and remaining formation will be same as was in the simple. To make negative interrogative and interrogative sentences of past continuous tense are also quite simple. As we know, was and were are helping verb. We are going to use them at the beginning of our sentence, and after that we will use subject, ing form of verb and object. And the most important thing of interrogative sentences, question mark, and we will use question mark after object. Let's take a sentence and make its positive, negative and interrogative sentences. As we say, Hassan was talking about sport when I met him. Hassan was not talking about sport. Was Hassan talking about sports? It is quite simple and quite easy tense. Now come to past perfect. What is the meaning of perfect? Perfect means completed. When we talk about past perfect tense, so we can say it is used to express an action which has happened or completed in past, usually a long time ago. In this tense, time should not come. If time is mentioned in the tense, then it will be past indefinite tense. Note words like till, by, then, before, by, today, yesterday, evening are normally used in past perfect tense. As you can say that patient had died, it is past perfect tense. You say the patient died at 3 p.m. that is past indefinite because time has come in the sentence, so it is past indefinite tense. We can also use this tense with the combination of past indefinite tense, which we have already discussed. Now see the formation of positive sentences of past perfect tense. We use subject at the beginning of our sentence, and after that we have had as our helping verb, and it is very hard and fast rule in English language that we use third form of verb after the helping verb has, have or had, and after third form of verb we use object, and then object is followed by a full stop. Now keep in mind that had is the only helping verb that we are going to use in our this tense. Now see how we can form negative sentences by using past perfect tense. We are fully aware that we have had as our helping verb, and when we have to use not and we have to make negative sentences, we are bound to use not in our that tense. So see, first thing that we are going to use is subject, and after that we will use had as our helping verb, and after our helping verb we will use not to show negativity of thing, and after that we will use third form of verb, and third form is followed by object, and object is followed by a full stop. Now see how we can form interrogative sentences and interrogative negative sentences by using past perfect tense. We know that we have had as our helping verb. We will use had at the beginning of our sentence, and our sentence will be interrogative, and remaining formation will be same, had plus subject plus third form of verb plus object, and object is followed by a question mark. Everything was quite simple and quite easy. I hope you have fully understand this video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take good care of yourself.